So, this is going to be the third chapter of foreign words and phrases in English. Here we go. The first word is Massure. It means a title given to a French man, equivalent or corresponding to Mr. or Sir. It's a French word. Okay, Monsieur means Mr. or Sir. How are you, Mr. Harriet? You can say this in a different way. How are you, Monsieur Harriet? The second word we have is Monsieur le Comte. Its meaning is with his lordship, with the supreme power. Again, it's a French word like the previous one. Example, talk that matter with his lordship. In a different way, talk that matter, Monsieur le Comte. The third one is nota bene. It means something is of special attention. Please note it well. It's an important information. It's a Latin phrase. For example, please note, application received after 15th will not be accepted. In a different way, you can say, nota bene, application received after 15th will not be accepted. Next word is ultravirus. It means something is illegal, beyond the authority, or doing something beyond the power or law. It's a Latin phrase. For example, a bank manager accessing the assets of the bank for his personal needs is illegal. You may say it as a bank manager accessing the assets of bank for his personal needs is ultravirus. We have the next word here, PostMeridium. Post means after. Meridium means midday. So PostMeridium means after midday. Midday means noon. Afternoon. That is after 12. PostMeridium means after 12. Example, he will reach by 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You may say it as he will reach by 2 p.m. Next is the opposite of the previous one, AntiMeridium. Anti means before. Meridium is midday. So AntiMeridium is before midday, before 12. Example, I will reach at 10 o'clock in the morning. I will reach at 10 a.m. Next is vice versa. It means the opposite or the other way round, the reverse. It means the opposite of what is said is also true. It's a Latin word. Example, he doesn't believe them and they also don't believe him. In a different way, you could say, he doesn't believe them and vice versa. The next beautiful word we have is Alma mater. Alma means nourishing, kind or bountiful or dear. Mater means mother. It means dear mother, bountiful mother. But it's not about our biological mother. It refers to the school or college or university from where you have studied or from where you have graduated. For example, she works in the college from where she graduated. In a different way, you can say she works in her alma mater. Next word we have is major. This word is familiar to everyone. Major. It means bigger in dignity, rank, position, prominence, importance, right? Major. It's a Latin word. This word major has got its roots from the Latin word magnus. But this word has got its influence from the French word major, which means important, prominent. For example, he is an important general. You can say it as he is a major general. Next word we have is sine die. Sine means without. Die means day or date. Sine die means without a day or without a date. That means there is no fixed end for a future action. No day or date would be mentioned for something that has to happen in the future. For example, the meeting was suspended without mentioning a date. In other words, you could say the meeting was adjourned sine die. So it means the future date of that meeting, when it would resume, it was not mentioned.